Y'all, I'm fixing to share with you a recipe that I mean, it goes back a long way. It was, might have even been in my first cookbook. But I know it's in this cookbook because I'm reading it. And the name of them, and people love them. And they're so simple. They're called orange blossoms. Now you can do a lemon blossom or you can do an orange blossom. So today, I've just been in the mood. I don't know if you've heard me say, Eddie, I wanted something orange, you know, citrusy and orangey. So I'm gonna make my own public decision to make these orange. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make our glaze so it can be sitting and waiting on us. So now for the glaze, I need 3 cups of confectionate sugar, a half a cup of fresh orange juice. Now if you've got frozen orange juice, I would just use 3 tablespoons out of the frozen because that's concentrate, so it's gonna make it nice and orangey. All right, let's see. I need 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 3 tablespoons of water. So 3 tablespoons of water, and I'm gonna need to melt a little butter. You know what? I think all would be good. Don't you, Eddie? So let's do. Now I go changing my own recipes. Don't fear, Eddie. No fear. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of all. And I am gonna zest. Let me wash this orange. I'm going to just zest them some zest to go in our glaze. Yes. Yum on every drop of it. All right, now I also, do we have this in the stores, Eddie?
I'm not sure that the orange is. I think you've got almond, vanilla.
Yeah, we've got
peppermint and lemon.
Yeah, we've got some wonderful extracts. But even with the orange juice and the orange rind, I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of orange flavoring. It smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna give this a stir. And I want all this stuff done because when our little cakes come out of the oven, we're gonna have to step quickly to dip our cakes because you have to dip them while they're hot. Oh, I scared my mule. Whoa. Now, if it appears too thick, you can always add a little bit more liquid to it. I'm going to see if that's... The orange is perfect, Daddy. In fact, give it just a little bit more juice. And get some of that pulp out. Do you like your orange juice pulpless or with pulp, Eddie?
I like a little pulp in it.
I like pulp too. I mean, to me that just says, ooh, I'm so fresh. We've got our glaze ready for our orange blossoms. And now we're gonna make the little cakes. And this is just really just a dump and beat. So I'm adding 4 eggs to our yellow cake mix. You know, they might make an orange cake mix out there, Eddie. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I just soon use yellow and put my own orange flavor to it. Okay. So I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of orange flavoring. Now if we were making lemon, we'd use lemon flavoring. And then we're gonna add 1 3.4 packages of instant Jello pudding. And this helps make cakes moist. Okay, now we've got a 1/2 cup of water. Now it was 3/4, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of oil. And now we're just gonna beat it for about 2 minutes. And we'll have her done. Now, I'm gonna spray our muffin tins. And because we have to dunk these as soon as they come out of the oven, we don't have to cool them or let them wait or anything. I'm gonna bake these off in batches so I can get to them all. And they won't have time to cool off. I'm using a non-stick spray that has the flour and the oil in it. And you're gonna need about a tablespoon for each little blossom. And these will probably bake in about 10 minutes. Seems like it's been a while since I've made these. But it'd be fun. It's kind of like the gooey butter cakes. How many ways can you come up with to make a blossom? Just a little bit more for that. It's gonna take us a while, Eddie. That's a lot of batter. But it don't matter. Does it? Okay, now we'll do one more and we'll just bake off 2 of these at the time. In the oven these go, and I'm gonna bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. So it won't take but a second. And then we're gonna bathe them in that wonderful confectionate sugar glaze. They look so pretty, but I made them too big, y'all. It's been a long, long time since I made these. I was just telling Eddie, I wish I had some baker's tweezers, you know, that I could manhandle these with. Now, many a time. And y'all can try to act surprised, but I know you're not. But I have been known to double dip. Let them cool and then go back in for one more little bath in case I feel like they're a little on the dirty side. All right, grab you one, Eddie. Grab you one while it's warm.
It's good.
It's good. Just nothing fancy, but people just love popping them in their mouth.
It's like getting a hot Krispy Kreme donut.
Uh-huh.
And you see them picking it up for you.
Well, wait now. I got to see. Moo. Moo. So good. And it's just got that faint orange taste, Eddie.
Yeah, perfect.
It's just so easy, y'all. So, like I said, I highly recommend do it in small batches. And that way they don't have time to get cold on you. Because you want them to be hot when you bathe them in that glaze. Think of it like kind of a bubble bath. But if I double glaze them, I will certainly have to make some more glaze. So I may just let one do it this time. Y'all please try these. Now take these to the next church social or bridge night with your lady friends. Or hell, even a beer party with your buddies. I promise they will like these. Love and best dishes. Hope all your blossoms bloom.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.